Here is how you can hide iPad photos which come from iPhone or the other way around. Well, essentially, if you open up the settings of your iPhone and go to the top of the page, tap on your name, in the list of devices, you're going to see all of them which belong to you and from which the photos can be showing up. So you can see I have an iPad and multiple different iPhones. And what I gotta do is to make sure I set it up the way that I want on all of these devices. So let's say on my iPhone, I'm just gonna click on this. I am already using this, so this is the very same one. What I gotta do is to click on iCloud and tap on Photos. And let's say I don't want my photos to be shared or show up. I can turn off Sync This iPhone as well as turn off Shared Albums, right? So there are albums which can be created to share with other people. And you can also just subscribe to other people's albums, right? So if you don't want to use that, turn it off both on your iPhone as well as the iPad. And that way you can make sure that only the photos which are on this device actually stay on this device, right? Because iCloud is likely the only method or the only way how photos from another device just show up on the other one. And as I said, when you move over to the iPad, you can open up the settings as well. Go to your account. You can see that it is the very same account as on the previous iPhone. In here, we have the same devices. And in this, I'm going to go to iCloud again, tap on Photos, and perhaps I can just keep this iPad synced because I disconnected the other iPhone, but I might as well just turn it off entirely as well as the shared albums in case I don't even want to just see that ever again in the future. So up to you to manage the settings, but these are the two toggles which you need to manage on your two devices to make sure that, you don't see unwanted photos on your device. So hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know about them down below in the comments. But for now, that's it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future content. See you later, guys.